We are talking about the Coinbase debit card today, okay guys? I'm going to be telling you about some rewards you can get and is it worth getting? Let's get straight into this after the disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. Do it so we can hang out, find cool stuff like this and get it on your radar. So let's get straight in. Now guys, the Coinbase card is at coinbase.com/card. All right, it's a real slick looking card. I love that they got Satoshi Nakamoto on there. If you don't know who that is, guys, it is the owner of Bitcoin. If you don't know who that is, guys, it is the founder, the one and only that we never know who actually started Bitcoin. All right, so the Coinbase card is spend crypto anywhere. Download the app to start. So you do it on Google Play and you can do it on the App Store. Now, the good thing about this is you can use this on things like Apple Pay. Okay, I've got a crypto.com card. I haven't got a Coinbase one yet, but I'm going to get it. Okay, and you can actually download this and start using it. I'm a massive fan of using these because you can use them anywhere in the world. It's the quickest and easiest way to spend crypto. You don't have to transfer it into fiat, things like that. Spend it as it comes in. All right, spend your crypto instantly, use your card worldwide, keep your crypto on the safe side, select your crypto wallet. Now you can track every single Bitcoin, pound, euro, all right, in this debit card. I think this gives the edge over the crypto.com card just because of the amount of cryptos it allows to pay with. All right, it actually uses the crypto and pays instantly through BTC, whereas a crypto.com you have to transfer it over into fiat. So this is why I really like this, right? It's the easiest way to spend, instant transactions everywhere, all the way through the app. As you can see in this picture, you can track them and it's got world-class security. It actually gets quite annoying how much security it's got. All right, but that's a good thing when you look at it. Now, I really like the fact you can have the transfer receipts, okay? Instant notifications come in, you paid this, you bought this, you've done this. All right, that to me makes it very easy to spend on the go. So massive from me. I think this is incredible. Now, if you use Coinbase and you're waiting on an easier way to access the crypto, this is it. I can't say much more about that. This is the one. One of the biggest rewards that they can actually give is the US Bank rewards card. All right, online activation. So you just literally tap it, it's activated, register the card, check your balance, and you're getting the rewards. Now, to be clear with the Coinbase card, is available in over 30 countries, all right? This debit card is a new crypto reward, futures, and the removal of transaction fees has already happened. So we're already there with exactly what people want, okay? But with the new refresh card, not only has Coinbase completely waived the transaction fees, all right? They've waived them completely. Also, they've now added a rotating rewards where you can earn up to 4% cash back on your crypto rewards. Imagine going to the shop and buying a t-shirt as cool as this one and getting rewarded back for it. Okay, that's incredible. That's what we've got here, right? And that's why we love the Coinbase crypto card. That's everything about the debit card that you need to know. If you want to get involved, let me know in the comments, okay? I'm getting myself one. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.